Today, Norton have announced the launch of the re-engineered Norton V4SV. The new bike will be priced at £44,000. Now, yes, that's quite steep, and I do wonder where this bike will end up, whether it will be a collector's item or will it just be sat in somebody's front living room. Either way, I'm really happy that Norton have now launched the bike and are moving forward in steps. Let's have a listen to what Norton have got to say about this bike, give you the full specs. And I'll be really interested in trying to
The Isle of Man TT is where the Norton V4SV was imagined, the road
soon.
was where it was born. Norton has an unrivaled racing heritage, and now we bring you the V4SV, the ultimate British superbike. At the beating heart of our bike, we've got an amazing 1200 V4 engine, which kicks out 185 brake horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. Paired with that, we've got a quick shifter, auto blipper, 3 rider modes, and a fly-by-wire throttle. What makes the V4SV special is the hand-built quality and the attention to detail. Every frame is hand-TIG welded and hand-polished to a mirror finish shine. Only the highest quality materials are used on the V4SV, with full carbon fibre bodywork, aerospace grade billet aluminium frame, footrests, yokes, as well as titanium valves. Incredible feature about the bike is the swing arm. It starts life as one piece of aluminium. It's then milled down and actually cut into 3 sections. Those sections are then TIG welded by hand to make a beautiful swinging arm that you see on the bike here. You can see Norton design cues in the bold lines that create an incredibly slim and compact silhouette, with its sleek and smooth fairing and underseat carbon fuel tank. Whilst this minimises the drag and works with the aerodynamics for a more responsive ride, it's also designed to look simply elegant. This beautifully stitched seat has a premium quality and sits 830mm in height. It's also one of the design cues as an homage to the original Nortons back in the day, who have actually got a beautiful billet aluminium cap that holds down the seat itself. The V4SV has Öhlins suspension front and rear, coupled with an Öhlins steering damper. There's also Brembo calipers and Brembo brake discs. We've got a keyless ignition system. I'm going to switch the bike on, and that leads us into a beautiful 6-inch colour display. From there, you'll see your rear view camera. What's more, the V4SV is equipped with an LED lighting system for your low and high beam indicators and brake lights. We've got 2 colour options for the bike. We've got a mag silver, we've also got a black carbon. Now, the mag silver actually comes with the red OZ wheels, and the black carbon comes with unique carbon wheels as well. And this mag silver is a nod to Norton's historic colour scheme. We'll be taking orders very soon. Please register your interest through the website to ensure that you're the first to hear from us.